Tonight, Dominic and I were supposed to go have dinner at the home of a pair of friends of ours, and of course we're not going to be doing that. So I'm going to sing the song that is their song, this couple. This is their song, and it's a great song. But before I do, I want to tell you about my tie, because it's one of my very favorite ties that I own. K.T. Sullivan and I were performing in London, and we went into this store and I saw ties in the window, and of course, I can't pass that up. So I saw this one in particular and I said, I want that tie. And they said, this tie is a very special tie because this store, had a citywide competition amongst grade school students they didn't call it grade school, I forget what they called it, but children of that age, to create a design that would be used on one of their ties. And this was the winning design. Isn't it fantastic? It's a brilliant little dog. So anyway, it's one of my favorite memories of London. When true lovers meet in Mayfair, so the legends tell, songbirds sing, winter turns to spring. Every winding street in Mayfair falls beneath its spell. I know such enchantment can be, for it happened that evening to me. That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor wayward moon, he wore a frown. How could he know that we were so in love? The whole wide world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And when we kissed and said good night, sun came stealing up, all red and gold and blue, to interrupt our rendezvous. I still remember how you smiled and said, was that a dream? Or was it true? Our homeward step was just as light as the tap dancing feet of a stair, and like an echo far away, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I know, 'cause I was there.